If my spouse and I agree on the main issues, can we do an uncontested divorce? Yes. If you meet the legal requirements, you can usually handle the divorce without a trial. An uncontested divorce generally means one spouse files for an absolute divorce, the other spouse does not fight it, and the court can enter the divorce based on the required proof. The most common requirement is that you have lived separate and apart for at least 1 year, with at least one of you intending the separation to be permanent. Also, at least one spouse must have lived in the state for at least 6 months right before the case is filed. Even when you agree on property, support, and parenting, you still have to file the correct paperwork, including a verified divorce complaint, and the other spouse must be properly served or accept service. One big pitfall is timing. If you want the court to decide things like property division or certain support claims, those usually need to be asserted before the divorce judgment is entered, or you may lose the right to raise them later. And agreeing you are separated is not enough if you are still living in the same home, because that usually does not count as living separate and apart. If you meet the separation and residency rules and handle filing and service correctly, an uncontested divorce is often possible.